welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, sorry guys, I just have a really bad case of the hiccups. Anyway, today we're gonna be playing a D tower in Tower of Hell. Sorry, I just keep hiccuping, just don't mind it. I didn't know what the tower meant. I just saw a little portal, but I didn't really read it. I just thought it was like something tower, and I didn't know it was supposed to be this. Like, bro, can I stop hiccuping? Oh my gosh, I need to drink some water. Also, I'm gonna be going on. Oh, bro, can I just stop hiccuping? Like every time I try to make that jump, I keep hiccuping. Like, what the flip? Gosh, I just hiccuped again. Hiccuped again. I actually hate my life, bro. Oh my gosh, can I just stop hiccuping? Like, oh my god. I actually want to go die. I'd rather die than have hiccups every day. Because like having hiccups is a life worse than death. I don't know where I got that from, but yes. I'm just gonna spam them because I literally miss it every single time. I literally missed the jump button every single time. I swear the jump button was not there just now. It was like, you know what? I don't even care anymore. Can I just stop hiccuping? Like, I feel like that's the problem. If I hiccup one more time, I'm ending this video.